Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the inequality 4m minus 5 is less than or equal to 9. We will go through the steps together to find the solution in both inequality form and interval notation form. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 4m minus 5 is less than or equal to 9, we start by isolating the variable m on one side of the inequality. First, we will eliminate the constant term minus 5 on the left side of the inequality. To do this, we need to add 5 to both sides of the inequality. Adding 5 to the left side and to the right side ensures that we maintain the balance of the inequality. So we have 4 MIPS minus 5 plus 5 is less than or equal to 9 plus 5. This simplifies to 4 is less than or equal to 14. Our next step will be to isolate the variable m, but for now, we have modified the inequality to a simpler form. 4m is less than or equal to 14. Remember, when adding or subtracting the same number to both sides of an inequality, the direction of the inequality sign does not change. This is why after adding 5 to both sides, the inequality remains the same. In inequality notation, we now have 4m is less than or equal to 14. In interval notation, we have not completed the steps yet to represent the interval. Now that we have simplified the inequality to the form 4m is less than or equal to 14, our next step is to isolate the variable m by eliminating the coefficient 4, which is multiplying m. To achieve this, we need to divide both sides of the inequality by 4. Dividing both sides by the same positive number preserves the direction of the inequality. So we divide 4m by 4 and also 14 by 4. This gives us 4 memes divided by 4 is less than or equal to 14 divided by 4. Simplifying this, we get m is less than or equal to 14 divided by 4. We can simplify 14 divided by 4 to its most simple fraction form, which is 7 divided by 2. Therefore, m is less than or equal to 7 divided by 2. This is our final step, and we have now isolated the variable m. In inequality notation, we have m is less than or equal to 7 divided by 2. In interval notation, we represent this as the interval from negative infinity to 7 divided by 2, including 7 divided by 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.